Harvesting must be fast, economic and involve low losses. Here the Fortschritt combine harvesters of the E512 and E516 types have proved their worth under most different harvesting conditions and during complicated circumstances through their proverbial efficiency, their reliability and versatility in many countries. The E514 is a new Fortschritt product, a medium power category combine harvester with a throughput of 21.6 tons per hour of wheat. The E514 is equipped with many useful extras. For instance, a motor power of 85 kilowatts. The operator's seat provides a good visibility. Its operating elements are ergonomically arranged. All that plus air conditioning guarantee an excellent operating comfort of the E514, making operation less strenuous. In addition, there is the E514's loss meter, which is arranged in such a way that it coincides with the operator's range of vision. A further feature is an increase in the grain storage capacity by 3.5 cubic meters and an auxiliary device to discharge heavily flowing grains. The new design of the valve rocker cutter drive permits a mechanically better function. In addition, there is the new development of unscrewable spring-loaded reel spikes, which adds considerably to increasing customary tool life. The horizontal wheel shift eliminates with the help of a hydraulic cylinder the hitherto necessary manual operation and its respective expenditure of time. These and further constructive solutions guarantee the high availability and versatility of the E514 combine harvester. The wide steering control shaft stabilizes its undercarriage, thereby extending its range of applicability. The semi-caterpillar truck is used during rice harvesting. The E514 combine harvester is universally applicable in the harvest of all sorts of cereals with the help of its comprehensive equipment, including interchangeable adapters for harvesting threshing, swath take-up threshing and cob picking threshing, and which are all transported by means of trailer to the operating site. The E514 provides 3 differently wide cutters for cereal harvesting. Attachment of the adapters is no problem for the operator, because it is effected without any physical strain with the help of special mechanics. Needed are only a few more easy operations to lock the coupling elements and to swivel the divider points from the transport position to the operating position. Thus, the E514 is in no time ready to operate. The swiveling of the discharge worm from transport to operating position and vice versa is effected with the help of a hydraulic cylinder and thus is fully mechanized. The E514, which is equipped with hydro steering gear and a well laid out braking system, including all-wheel and individual wheel braking, provides favorable ergonomic conditions, guaranteeing a high maneuverability and reaching in this way shortest turning times during harvesting. Besides the well-known and proven variants of Fortschritt combine harvesters, this new combine harvester is in addition equipped with devices that increase its use value, such as an air-conditioned driver's cabin, or like here, with sun shield. It can be delivered with grain tank and discharge device as standard model, or in the form of a special version with grain tank and bagging device, as standard model for swath laying or with an additional implement for straw cutting. A further E514 implement is the straw collector for a special technique in the follow-up straw harvest. According to the respective conditions, the cutters can be equipped with pick-up reels, dividers, divider points and divider frame. Thus, the E514 reaches maximum adaptability to any cropping up harvesting conditions. The E514 can be used for every harvesting procedure, like here in swath threshing. It can be said here, the E514 has got whatever is needed, including the necessary power reserves to cope with any harvesting conditions, operation on difficult slopes up to 21 degrees not excluded. During tank discharging onto the transport vehicle, the combine harvester needn't be stopped. The height of the E514's discharge worm turned out to be particularly favorable, allowing the use of high-capacity transport vehicles. The economy of harvesting is determined by the harvesting machinery, its efficiency, reliability, and last but not least, by the versatility of the combine harvesters, permitting a far-reaching rate of utilization and amortization. Here, the Fortschritt E514 sets remarkable standards because it is able to harvest all sorts of grains such as cereals, oil seeds, legumes, maize, and rice, as well as seeds of fodder plants, vegetables, medicinal, perfume and spice herbs and plants. The E514 combine harvester reaches the remarkable throughput of 7 kilograms per second in wheat harvesting and 8.5 kilograms per second in maize corn harvesting. The variable equipment and its sophistication has opened up a vast field of applicability for the E514 combine harvester, positively influencing the performance of the driver, to mention only the new automatic steering device, which guarantees the exact guidance of the maize picker. The E514 is a further top product by Fortschritt, representing the combine's good tradition and performance, which holds a leading position in the fields of agricultural and foodstuffs machinery building of the German Democratic Republic, and which produces machinery and plant which are perfect, down to the detail. Remember, if you think of your enterprise's future, we offer you what you need to run a profitable enterprise. Highly sophisticated equipment, the respective service, including the training and qualification of your personnel to operate your Fortschritt machinery.